Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will talk about Ubersuggest, which I feel is a useful keyword research tool for competitor analysis and keyword research. Now, if you wish to use Ubersuggest to analyze a competitor's site, you can do so and you will get insight on the number of keywords your competitor uses, the average monthly traffic that the competitor gets, their domain score, and the number of backlinks it has. If you wish to use Ubersuggest to analyze keywords, you get insight on the monthly search volumes for a particular keyword, the SEO difficulty, keyword ideas, content ideas, and the cost per click as well. Now to start with, I want you all to type in Ubersuggest in your search bar and click on the first link that you see. Now after clicking on this link, you will be directed to this page. You can either enter the domain of your competitor or you can enter a keyword. Here you can choose the language and the country. So if we start with entering a keyword, so for instance, I've entered the keyword toast and I've chosen United States as my target area, and the language that I wish to analyze my keyword for is English. Now here I get a keyword overview for the keyword toast. So the search volume for toast is pretty high. The SEO difficulty is 90, which again is pretty high. The paid difficulty is 99, again very high. And the cost per click is only $0.66. Now the search volume here tells us the number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. The SEO difficulty estimates the competition in organic search. So uh, the higher the number is, the more competitive the keyword becomes. Paid difficulty is an estimated competition in paid search. So the higher the number, the more competitive the keyword. Cost per click is an average cost per click. So if you want to pay Google to be seen on an ad, you have to pay a certain amount. So for this keyword, you just have to pay $0.66. Now, the keyword is usually more valuable if you end up paying a high CPC. Here you get an overview of the volume on a month-on-month basis. Here, so the top line here is the indication of mobile volume, and this is the desktop volume. Here you can see the mobile volume is higher than the desktop volume, meaning that if you wish to get more traffic for this keyword, you need to ensure that your website is mobile responsive. Now here, if you scroll down further, you will get some keyword ideas related to your main keyword. So keyword ideas include toaster, toast with avocado, toast oven, toastmaster, toastmasters, and toast balls. So you get the volume per month, you get the cost per click, the paid difficulty, and the SEO difficulty. Now I recommend choosing keywords with a SEO difficulty of 35 or lower than 35, because that means that you still have a chance for ranking your keyword. Now, I don't know what this keyword actually indicates, so I wouldn't use a keyword like that in my content. I would maybe go with something like toast with avocado, or create a long tail keyword so that it's easier for me to rank for that particular keyword. Now, content ideas basically just gives you an idea of what kind of content you can create on your website. So these are just some examples that you can look at, and if you wish to visit a site, just click on this button here and you'll be directed to the site. You can go through their site and see what kind of content they've written. If you like their content, you can create content on a similar note. However, do not copy their content, do not stuff your content with keywords, and just get a idea of what exactly it is you could write about. And if you think that their content needs improvement, then go ahead and create better content. Now, the second way of using Ubersuggest is by simply entering the competitor's domain. Now here we can see that the domain overview for foodnetwork.com gives us an overview of the organic keywords Then the organic monthly traffic, their domain score, and backlinks. Organic keywords are the number of keywords this domain ranks for in the organic search, which is pretty high. Organic monthly traffic indicates the total estimated traffic this domain gets considering the organic keywords, which again is pretty high. The domain score is based on a variety of factors and it determines the strength of a website. Now, a score of 0 to 100 is given to all the websites on search engine result pages. And the higher the number is, the more authority a site has. Now, the closer the number is to 100 means that the site has a high authority in this domain. Backlinks, again, it indicates how many incoming hyperlinks you have from other websites. This section here gives an overview of traffic on a month-on-month basis. Then we have the SEO keyword ranking factors, the top SEO pages that you're ranking for. You get the estimated visits per month and the number of backlinks you have. And this part right here indicates how many times your content has been shared on Facebook and Pinterest. Now, the SEO keywords used are all listed down here. So you can use a couple of keywords that the Food Network uses. However, I would recommend going for long tail keywords because they're easier to rank for. Now, this is it for today's videos. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll get back to you within 5 to 7 business days, and I hope you enjoyed the video. For any questions or any suggestions, do let me know, and see you next time.